Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. I'm your host, resident day trader, and your brother in the struggle. The name is Hassan, and we're live. It's Friday, April 12th, and I don't know what the market's gonna do. We never know what the market's gonna do, but we are here to execute our game plan and see if we find any opportunities that fit the strategy. And if we do find them, we will attack. And if we don't find them, the plan is to sit on hands. And that's that. So, what is the strategy? Looking for things to trade over the opening range. Make higher highs plus higher low. And we want that higher low to be at VWAP plus another support, which could be high volume support from the opening candle, or previous high, etc. The risk equals 25 bucks. Risking 25 bucks per trade. Hey, what's up, guys? Wow, I didn't expect that. What's up, Ben? Signature Trading. Good to see you guys. Risking 25 bucks a trade, and target is 2R. So no greed today. I'm taking profits at 2R. If I can add to the position on the way to 2R, then that'd be great. But I'm still keeping that same 2R target and hoping to capture that for sure. Happy Friday. Yes, sir, man. I'm excited. Hoping for I think I'm green this week, and hoping to keep that status by the end of today's trading session. I did increase my watch list charts back to 9, just because like on a day like today where nothing is really looking great pre-market, I just want to be able to see more of the potential that's out there and be able to find that one thing that might fit my criteria. What happens is when nothing on my charts, when I have 6 up and nothing is setting up, I start combing my watch list basket, which is another list I have over here on the side, and then I find myself rushing into things. So I just want to keep my eye on a few more things, but really the goal is to be very patient. I really want to stay out of the setups that don't look like something I would like to take a screenshot of. Like, is this trade screenshot worthy? Is this a beautiful setup? So, just trying to be patient, man. Trying to be patient. Don't want to break any rules. That's like the main thing, man. If I don't break any rules today, it's a win, no matter what the P&L says. I gotta start stacking days in a row without any rule breaks. That's like the hardest thing to do. What you guys got going on? You guys watching anything in particular? Ben, I know you got some small caps up on the radar. Signature Trading. What kind of what do you trade? What's your bag? All right, gotta set my 10-minute trading alarm here. Make sure I don't get too antsy. That looks really nice. Yeah, I heard Citigroup was gapping up today too. Looks great on the daily.
Hot damn ho, here we go again. Now.
That is the market open sound for now. Still surprises me. Set my timer. PXMD. Typical small cap gap up. I don't know, man. You don't like NXPL? This looks like it's been holding pre-market pretty well, holding the gap up from yesterday and aftermarket too. But I don't know. They all be like mad to me. Like, see, HUBC, that's a huge pullback. Alright. Let's see what we got here. SPY opening up green. I like that. Man, Apple had a super strong day yesterday. Curious to see how it does today. It's testing yesterday's close right now. And gold seems to be doing its usual opposite of what the market's doing. Oops. Yeah. Okay. Hey, Hadi, Eid Mubarak. Good to see you, man. What's going on, bro? So far, Apple has the most potential. It is trading well above its opening range and over yesterday's close. Everything else is looking pretty mid right now. Oh yeah, man. They coming, bro. They coming fast these days. You didn't see him last time? Maybe that's just from all the last few weeks of trading, bro. And see, let me check you out. Where'd you get in at? Inshallah. Inshallah. Where you get in at, Signature? See, man, these first few candles, bro, they scary to me, man. I've been stopped out so many times on what looked like guaranteed bullishness. But I don't know. This looks decent, but I don't know. I would expect it to come back and test 62. Red days and gray hairs. Bro, I had like a week straight of red days, bro. I was like having some serious question marks about this whole thing for a minute, but I feel good when I review things and realize that it's just me breaking my rules, and that like my system, my rules win pretty much every day. It's just me jacking things up. So yeah, I was thinking, see, man, it's gotta come back a little bit. Pre-market high. Yeah, I don't know. It's a pretty big gap up this morning. That joint might go back down to 60 before it does anything. Yeah. Yep. Man, Apple looks real strong. Amazon looks pretty good too. Just gonna be patient and see if it gives me a nice pullback entry. Snow's not looking bad. And last Friday was really good. I love it when I have a green Friday. Last Friday was, I think, 3 for 3. Hit all 3 of my entries. That's when you have a real good weekend, when you trade like that. Real good weekend. Alright, C might be bouncing right here. Wow. I don't know. Apple might not be coming back. Apple is on one. Apple is on one. I like how GLD is setting up right here. See if that thing closes up over VWAP though. Amazon too, really. Okay, Apple finally pulling back a little bit. Yeah, Apple looks super strong right now. I really like this gold setup. Could take 100 shares on gold. Amazon looks really good too. Get that out the way. I think I'm gonna try Amazon here. Man, yeah, Microsoft looks interesting, but nah, that ain't doing anything but consolidating. Let me get over here so y'all can see what I'm looking at. Not liking that. Alright, we are in Amazon. Just looking for a quick 2R, man. In and out. In and out. We're gonna see. I like how it's starting out there. What's that, 75? It did reject that. Pretty tough. Let's see. It's looking shaky right now. Man, there goes gold doing what I was thinking it was going to do. I just made this lower low before it took off. Trying gold as well. 186.75. Yeah, we about to find out real quick. My stop is 187.73, so we about to see real quick here. Hey, that was quick. Let's go. Quick 2R on gold. In and out. Just like we said. In and out. All right. Amazon. Holding on. Yeah, I know, man. It's hard to get out at 2R, man, but I'm just trying to stick to the game plan, man. Stick to the game plan. Microsoft, man. I like the setup, but it's inside of that opening range, man. I want to see it trade above and close above and then come back to VWAP. So being patient on that. Amazon's looking pretty nice. I like that we made a high over this candle here and a new high of day. All I need is 88.55. I wish I needed 88.47, but we shall see. Snow actually looks nice, but that's kind of a wide range candle there. Yeah, I like this setup a lot, but nah, it's too close to yesterday's close. I'm not doing that one. Amazon looking mad sketchy again. Mad sketchy. I don't know. Microsoft is Looking interesting. See how this 2-minute candle closes up. Amazon over here playing with my emotions, man. Playing with my emotions. I think I might take Microsoft right here. It's got 30 seconds left. Oh, don't run off on me now. Don't run off on me. Just chill out. Just chill out. Man. Nah, I'm gonna wait. There goes that snow setup. No, I said I wasn't taking that because it's close to yesterday's close. I'm going to stay away from that. Feeling a slight FOMO from Microsoft, but I'm going to wait for something better. Look embarrassed to you? Yeah, I can see that. I can see that. I think it looks decent on the hourly though. And I just need a few moments from it, you know. I don't need yeah, that would have been a nice little entry, but I'm going to see if it pulls back. I'm going to just try to be patient for a better setup cuz this ain't really it. Third green candle up. Be more patient. Yeah, ooh, little FOMO on Microsoft, man. Look at that, man. I wanted it too, right over 424.40. Sub 40 cent. I'm gonna wait though. We'll be all right. We'll be all right. Yeah, but you know I'm not getting in under VWAP. I'm not even interested under VWAP. I just need a quick 2R out of it, you know. Which I see approaching here on Amazon. I like this price action. If we stop getting hit in the head right here. Well, Apple is like... Apple said, what pullback? Apple said, pull back where? Yeah. I just wish it would go. It's looking good though. I don't know. It's kind of choppy. It's trending up, but very choppily. Man, I don't know if Apple gonna give me anything. It's already past its average daily range. It's running up to the 200 EMA now too. You talking about that high at 178.67? This guy right here. Yep. Nah, I keep forgetting we're not doing snow. Man, it's a lot of sellers up here over 188, man. Won't let Amazon be great. Hey, what you say, being green is green? That's what's up, man. Hey, that's a good time to stay away, bro. I've been having a hard time staying out of snow over there right up against yesterday's close. Yeah, I think this is going to be it for Amazon. Looking like the stop sauce. Looking like the stop sauce. Oh man, I forgot about Google today. Google looking pretty decent. I'm gonna swap Google out for Netflix. The Spy actually looks really good right now at VWAP. What was that sound? Still surviving over here on Amazon. For now. do, do, do. Oh, yeah, man. All right, well, stopped out of Amazon. I feel okay about that setup. Aside from it being below yesterday's close, but it had enough room to get to my 2R before testing that, so I felt okay about that. So 1 for 2 at the moment. See what Microsoft is doing here. Snow is over at previous day's close. Now if it came back down to VWAP, I would be interested in Snow. Yeah, gold could have been an all-day hold, probably. Mm-mm, 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 mm-mm. I hear you, Ben. Go on and enjoy your weekend with that Green Day, man. Look at Amazon, dirty rat. You dirty rat. Cold world. Man, good job. I almost wanted to take this right here, but because it looked like it wanted to hold that HVS line, but my rules say don't buy extended from VWAP, so I canceled my order, and look, it just came back down to VWAP like it always does most of the time, and I would have gotten stopped out and threw away an R for no reason. Now it might be ready though. Kind of a wide ranger, but see how it looks in a minute. Google, on the other hand, oh yeah, Google looks great. I'm definitely taking Google. Come on, man. Chill out, Google. Chill out. I don't know, man. That's pretty wide range right there. All right, giving a swing for Google. SPY is trickling down at the moment. Did that trigger in? Yeah, it did. Ooh, look at the SPY. Oh, it's getting nasty. It's getting nasty. Coin looks really good short term, but that is below the range there. Can't mess with that yet. Snow looks decent. See if Apple's gonna hold yesterday's close or not. I mean Google. Yeah, snow was looking decent, man, all morning. With the green to red move on Google. Yeah, that wide range joint should have discouraged me from that position. Yeah, the SPY is just taking a nosedive. Just made a new low of day. Might be a good sign to hang low for a minute. got a swing here going on Apple. Man, look at gold. That was an all-day hold joint right there, man. That was doing really well. Does not look like he wants to hold 77 though. Yeesh. Yeah, Apple might have been a little too extended. pretty much rejected that 200 EMA too. Just kind of what I was worried about. And the SPY is cracking lower. Can we retake VWAP? That is the question. Okay. Got 89, 94. Okay. Little hope over here on Apple. A little bit of hope. Very little. Still closed underneath VWAP. Get back over 77, be looking a lot better. Man, snow been tempting me all morning. Snow over 160. Yeah, this was the spot here, but this yesterday's close was not making me feel confident about that. Been kind of having an eye on coin too, but it being below the opening range is also a violation for me, which it just traded up over on some nice volume too. Okay, Apple back in the green. Okay. I hope Apple can get to target before Spy gets to back to VWAP. Which is this guy right here. This is pretty much the bulk of trading right here, just sitting and waiting. Sitting and waiting. Been fighting back the urge to be a gunslinger. I think I'm a gunslinger at heart. There's a lot of trades I would have liked to have tried out, but a lot of them failed. So getting more and more confident in just following my rules and being content with what those setups line up with. Amazon. Only thing about Amazon, I don't know, I guess this support line that I had drawn ended up getting respected quite a bit. Every time it traded over it, it got knocked back down. But I just like the way it traded at the open, you know, kind of pulled back below, got bought up, then broke above, traded well above VWAP for a moment and then came back and tested. I thought this was a pretty nice entry candle right there. And it looked good for a moment, but did not stay looking good. Yeah, man, snow been that one for me today. I wish I woulda. This is probably the moment I should have waited for on Apple. But my stop was in a good spot. At this point, anyway. As I'm still in the trade. Time to raise the stakes over here on Apple. See what's popping. What we really gonna do. If it makes a lower low, I will definitely cancel that order. Yep, that ain't it. That ain't it. This might be a wrap on Apple. Market is not looking too friendly right now. Yeah, that coin play, That was the one. Well, stopped on Apple. That might be a wrap for the day. I don't see anything else that's looking like it's going to set up anytime soon. At all. Sometimes the rules feel so boxed in, like it leaves you no room for the the creative gut feeling trades. But a lot of time though, that leads you into ruin. Felt like that about Coin and Snow, but I also felt like that about Microsoft, and would have stopped out with that one. So, just minus 33 ain't the worst thing in the world. Man, stopping out on Apple. Yeah, this candle was way too wide range for me to want to take that. But the market was also turning at the same time, as you can see right here. Probably should keep a better eye on what the SPY's doing when I'm thinking about entering a trade. But I don't know, Google seemed relatively strong and testing yesterday's close. So I thought it was a pretty good look. that was not the case. I sure been wanting coin. Right here would have been not so bad, but SPY is really pushing down. And gold is pushing up. Yeah, all the relative strength in the market seems to have left the building. Except for gold. That might have been one to sell half on and let ride. What's BTC looking like right now? Wow, I didn't realize it went up that high. Testing 74K, huh? Down to 71,869. Ooh, that's tempting right there on coin. That is tempting. Not anymore. Not anymore. Giving Snow a shot. It's still going. This is my last trade pretty much right here. So gonna find out shortly. It's either a 1R red, a 2R red, or a 2R green. Or I guess a 1R green. Not a great day for me usually when the SPY is downtrending like it is today. What's that, 88? Yeah. I'm trying to see if I'm mad at myself about any of these trades. I don't think I am. Maybe Apple. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, sometimes it's just not the day, you know. But I don't think I'm mad at myself about any of my trades. So that's cool. We'll see how it goes. Definitely feel a lot better on the day if I can get Snow up to target. I'm really having a hard time not jumping into coin right here. $56.29. Especially over this 5. 2.5%. Is that bad? I think that's bad. I don't think about it in percentages. I always think about it in R's. Did you take more trades than on C? Or was that just your one trade? You don't? Four trades. Did you hit on any of them? They were all busts. On your four trades, did any of them go to target or did you stop on all of them? Man, the SPY is really killing me. Man, I feel your pain, bro. Oh, yeah, man. City gapped up at the open. I mean, traded up at the open and then went straight down. Same will be okay. Yeah, look like I'm about to get stopped on snow right here, too, as the market continues to downtrend. Yeah, I should have waited for a little more confirmation over VWAP instead of just jumping in on that break. Little overzealous there, especially with the market making lower lows and lower lows. Yeah. Swing trading is I've definitely feel like I could do really good swing trading. But I just don't like holding stuff overnight, man. It stresses me out. But I could probably get used to it as I build confidence maybe over time. Yep, there goes snow. So yeah. Not a good day. Only thing trading good is gold, and I got out of that super fast. Literally on the same candle I got in, it went to target. Sniping that 2R. And everything else is downtrending except gold. There's definitely nothing left for me to do here today. Unless I want to take a breakout trade on gold, which is like a super no-no for me. But there sure is nothing else. Why not? Testing out the YOLO on gold. Testing out the YOLO. See if we can save the day. Shoot. We don't need to risk too much to see if it'll work. Let's just take that down to half an R. See what we got going on here. Yeah, they did that to themselves, man. JPM, I heard they said some stuff about struggling with interest rates, and I don't know, they kind of muddied the outlook for their company. So I'm not surprised they're trading down. Little YOLO action on gold is looking kind of good. We got 50. That's good news. Didn't JP Morgan buy up a bunch of those banks going out of business? I don't think they're going anywhere anytime soon. I'm saying, man, be a nice red to green move on the day if I can get that bad boy up there to 225. We'll play it a little safe and go to 98. Market looks like it wants to trend back up, short term anyway. I don't know what that means for gold. Gold seems like it's been kind of counter the market. Come on, gold. It could pop up there in one candle. 60s, 70s. 80s. Let's go. A little higher. Come on, baby. I know, man. I should just be taking 2R like I'm supposed to. Instead of shooting for that home run. As usual. What's this thing looking like on the one? Okay, we're not looking bad. I will capture a little bit of profit though. Well, actually, that's not profit. That's just moving my stop up. 17, 14. I think it's looking pretty darn good right now. Stop loss is now at 224.14 under this little consolidation here. My entry's 224.22. Well, that's my average. See if we can squeeze a little bit more out. Come on, baby. Back over 60. 62, 63. I think we got it. Keep pushing. I'm getting hot, man. Come on, baby. Let's get that red to green move. Let's go. Come on. 10 more pennies. Yeah, I know, man. It make me want to just take some out and leave the rest. High is 92. Take profit is 98. Hold on, what's this low? 21. I'm gonna go to break even. All right, no risk on the table. All money. It's kind of a scary candle here, but we're gonna hold on. Yeah, I don't like that candle. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Come on. Oh no. Yeah, it definitely is. The market looks like it's headed back up to VWAP 2, which makes me want to get back in snow over here. Come on. We almost there. Two pennies. Let's go. Let's go. Yo, man, it's Friday. It was a bad day, but gold brought it on home, man. Gold brought it on home, man. Gotta love that. Gotta love that. Two nice trades on gold. One down here off VWAP. And then one with the breakout of the high day. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Man, that was a fun trade. Ballsy ad right here, man. uh, 126 on gold. Look at all this red, though, man. If I'm being honest, gold is the only thing that was trading over yesterday's close. So, factually, the only other trade I should have had was this Google trade. Well, Apple too, but this was kind of late to the game. It already made a really big move on Apple. But, nah, that's probably it, man. 225, and it's been trading up all day. It's probably going to have a major pullback now. Everybody taking profit at 225. It might just pull back a little bit, though, and keep rolling, though. Come back down and test 220, 224, I mean. Look at that volume that came in, though. That's usually the end right there. When I see this volume come on this kind of narrow candle, it's time to get out. It is time to get out. Man, the only thing I really want is coin right here, man. I think coin can really do some damage today. But way under yesterday's close. Yeah, I think I really want to stay away from those. I could have just focused on gold today. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. I'm definitely feeling quite good about it. The day was kind of dark and gloomy, man. All it takes is one trade, though. One trade, and you can be good. Man. It had all the makings of a solid breakout, though. Tested here. Tested here. That third try usually goes, man. That third test of that level usually goes. And these nice narrow range candles heading up there. Yeah. Usually imminent breakout on that one, man. Yes, sir. Next time one trade, I know, right? Yeah, I definitely be doing too much sometimes, man. Just in and out. Yeah, what was that? Yeah, looking back, I could definitely have found reasons to not take this trade. Especially Apple. I saw that 200 EMA right here, man. But it was so bullish, you know. And his first time coming back to VWAP, I thought that would be a pretty good bounce, but it was not. This trade was pretty whack on snow, though. I don't know what the heck this is. Wide range red bar. I'm not supposed to get in after I see one of those. This is like red flag number one. All these candles closing underneath VWAP and underneath yesterday's close. Another red flag. Yeah, so kind of subpar trading today. Start trying to make exceptions when nothing is fitting my criteria. Yeah, I think beneath yesterday's close for me is just gonna have to be a no. I don't even want it close to yesterday's close. I want it to have gapped up in pre-market past yesterday's close and stayed away from it, honestly. Pretty much what gold did. Gapped up over yesterday's close and stayed up there. And then traded over the opening range all day. This was the one right here for sure. All right. Got the retest of that breakout. Narrow range candles down to the retest. Bum, bum, bum. And we got a hammer candle. I don't know, man. It's looking juicy. $224.03 is the low. This is a nice pullback right here, honestly. Could risk my 14 bucks on it. I'm thinking, man, this looks really nice right here. Back to the breakout level. Basically retesting the breakout. Let's see if it holds 224 though. I need to get off this 1 minute chart though. Yep. Now I kind of want coin though. All right, I'm trying coin. Trying coin right here. Gold went ahead and moved all the way down to VWAP, huh? That looks even better. That looks even better. We're in coin though. First goal is over 257. Right through VWAP. Lots of volume coming in on it too. I don't know. Man, that looks good. I wish this was a narrow range candle though. There's a lot of volume coming through on this candle. It's 50 cent candle. Yeah, that's a lot to ask, man. I'm not getting in that. Just gonna see what this coin trade does and then we out, man. Not supposed to be trading after 11. Coin spread as usual, about 35 cent. WFC, what's that? Wells Fargo. It's not too bad, although it's just kind of hanging out on yesterday's close. What's up with the daily? Oh, that's my chart. Okay. Yeah, it don't look bad over 57, but below it's looking kind of sketchy. Did we get a new high? Yeah, we did. Barely. Okay. So you got in right here then? It's not looking bad. Probably got a decent ride up to 57 at least. Yeah, I would feel pretty good about that. And look, it's this third try. Like I was just saying, man, that third try usually breaks through, man. You might be able to get up to pre-market high, which is 57.75. Maybe call it 57.50. Also, man, I forgot to ask. Can you guys hit that like button for me? Appreciate it. Man, I just need coin back over. Appreciate it, man. I just need coin back over 257, man. Really love to see that. Sour straws. Okay, here we go. Come on, coin. I know you want 257. There we go. You can do it. Okay. WFC would have closed over yesterday's close. That's good. It looks great on the 15-minute. About 30 cents, so 60 cents I would expect out of that. Yeah. I don't know, man. I think you got a good shot at 57. Now, coin candles look like crap. That spread is just so wide, man. Man, I had to let go of the 1 minute. I switch to the 1 minute sometimes to just manage when I'm going to take profit. But I try not to take any entries on the 1 minute anymore because I just get so many false signals, I guess you could say. I'd be trying to get into a trade and it'd take me 2 or 3 entries to finally catch the right spot. And then when I started trading on the 2 minute, it seemed to eliminate that problem for me. It just got slightly more confirmation than the 1 minute. Slightly. Man, coin go to target. We got a good day on our hands, man. I'm walking out the weekend feeling great. Straight up. 257.11. I like that, man. I like that. Yeah, nah, gold. I think gold is. I ain't messing with gold. I'm just trying. I just need to get coin home. Come on home, coin. Come on home. I should have tried to add over here somewhere. I don't really want an opportunity to add, though. I really just want one big candle to shoot up to my target, and then I'm out. No pullbacks. I like that the market is trending up, trending back up for the moment, anyway. Hope it doesn't turn around right here. This is a pre-market low and kind of a midday turnaround point. See what happens. Starting to get narrow range right here in this area, which is a little sketch. Right. Man, it's been going up for so long, though. Mess around and get a pullback down to 475 or something crazy. It looks decent on the 5. Alright, I might have to go on and add right here. Get my stop up to right under 256. That might bring my average up too high, though. Break even. See, it went up to 56.86, almost to 57. Right on, man. I'm actually a carpenter by trade myself. Mostly metal framing, though. Commercial carpentry. Yeah, man. Enjoy yourself, man. Enjoy your weekend, bro. You too, man. You too. Thanks for hanging out with me this morning, man. I appreciate it. Peace. Okay, let's make some adjustments here. 258.36. $0.62. 255.99 is gonna be our new stop. And our new target. $1.25. 257.88. $1.87. Let's go with that. Looking good on coin. I'm about to turn this day around, inshallah. Get it out the mud. Hey, good to see you, man. What's going on? It's been a cool day. Thank you. Appreciate it, man. It was I had a really good trade early on, man. I went to target on the same candle I got in on. And then after the struggle, man, gold is the only thing that was looking good. I went ahead and took a breakout trade over the day's high. Added and bang, like top tick that bad boy right at the top. Wasn't hard to guess that one though. 225. Got out at 224.98. Pretty nice take profit, and it's been all red since, so didn't leave anything on the table there. And now I'm trying to get coin home, and then I can have a great weekend. Yes, sir. I know, man. Feeling great about that. All right, coin entering 2R territory. So now it's like, do I take my 2R and roll, or do I go for the 3R, which I think it has plenty of potential to get to 3R. We're already above the low of the opening range. Yeah. Just curious to see what the SPY is going to do, man. I really need another bullish run on the SPY. Like, that would be life-changing for me. But these struggle days are good, you know, building up, getting those battle scars, learning those good lessons, you know. If I can survive these days, the bullish days on the SPY will be easy. And get that strong move up. Come on, coin. What is this? Nah, coin is looking great. Man, bro, I got my motor for the E36. I got my old motor out. Got some fresh motor mounts from Rev Shift. I bought an engine stand so I can put the new motor on and start getting it ready. I need some cams for it though. The motor didn't come with cams. Thinking about some S52 cams, or what am I still trading for? Benemy Cricket, my conscience is in the building. Yeah, you're right, man. It's just well, this gold opportunity kind of drew me back into the market, which was a banger. I know these are all poor excuses, but I'm just trying to explain myself at this point. And then coin came through. I've been watching coin all day waiting for something. Came back over VWAP with a nice little pullback. I didn't want to end the weekend badly, you know what I mean? So I know. It's looking good though. It's looking good though. Testing 258 now. $257.95 was the last high. Just need some momentum. Breakthrough. YouTube. I actually took a PowerPoints class at my local community college out of high school. And I was just always into cars as a kid. You know, I had like car posters all over my walls in my room. After Fast and the Furious, man, I was bit. And I learned to drive on a stick, which I hated. I hated it. And then I went to the movies with my mom to see Fast and the Furious. I didn't even know about, you know, my mom taught me how to drive sticks. So, you know, she's telling me to shift at about 3,000, 3,500 RPM. I didn't even know the concept of leaving it in gear to redline to really get into the power band until I watched Fast and the Furious. Man, when we left the theater, I had my permit at the time. We left the theater, man. I got on the highway, left that joint in gear to redline. I loved driving a stick every day from that point on, man. And yeah, I just been in the cars, man. But just getting in there after it, man. Get you a little wrench set from Home Depot and a maintenance manual and YouTube. And just get after it, man. Just get after it. Yeah, I actually had a close friend come over who like he builds lowriders and all kind of stuff, and he pulls engines all the time. So I definitely was intimidated by that process, but he came over and we got it out in a couple hours like it was nothing. All right, is that it on coin, man? So yeah, I feel you on that for sure. Yeah, 258 might have been it on coin. I don't know what to do here. If I want to capture 1R, I'm definitely not going to lose anything on it. What's my 263? Alright, stop at break even. I should probably move it up to there, but we'll call it break even. Actually, I probably should move it up to the low on this 5-minute candle for real. Otherwise, I'm going to be here all day. But, yeah, man. I'm definitely hoping to get that puppy out of there, man, and get back on the road by the summertime. I know. Well, SPY just made it back up to VWAP, so it could either bounce off of it and downtrend some more, or we could make a way. Yeah, coin looking a little sketchy. Need to get off of this 1 minute. Probably should have taken that 2R and went and ran with it. I'm gonna be sad if I get stopped out at break even though. I'm gonna be sad. Whoa, what'd I just do? Hold on. That ain't what I was trying to do. Oh yeah, 84% rule when you get stopped out to get right back in. Yeah. Yeah, but I'm already past my trading time. I shouldn't even be trading right now. So I don't want to get back in. I just need this thing to go back up. Stop playing. Yeah, so basically when you get into a position and the pattern is good and the setup is good, like everything is good about the setup, but like you get a big wick comes in and stops you out like out of nowhere. Like, you know, something happens in the market and it's just like random and then it trades right back up to your entry. 84% of the time it'll still work. So that's when you get back in. You get right back in the trade. But that's given that it's actually a good setup. Like, you know, you get in those, sometimes you get in a picture perfect setup and then it just stops you out. So that's what that 84% rule is pertaining to. Jared's that guy, man. Come on now, coin. This is it right here. We got to turn around from here. We got to turn around from here, coin. Yeah, Jared keeps it a buck, man. He keeps it real. I've probably learned more from him than any other source. All right, yeah, should have taken that 2R on coin for sure. I almost want to accept the risk, man, and just keep. Actually, I can just go keep it at break even. If I stop out, I can just get back in if I want. I really don't want to do that, though. SPY is trending back down. Yeah, the SPY just bounced off of VWAP. It's looking bad. About to be out of this puppy. Hope it doesn't slip me down too much. Man, I had 2R right there, man. Come on, coin. Just go back up. Dude, watching Ross trade, I don't know what the heck he's doing, man. He just gets in the trade and starts saying, all right, looking for 51, all right, 51, 52, and it's like, bro, what are you doing? It just seems so random, man. Yeah, coin is really testing me, man. I'm over here like, bruh, can we stay above 257 at least? And then we got this 30-cent spread all the time, which sucks because if I get stopped out, I could still lose 30 cents past my stop. Microsoft looking kind of juicy right now, man. I ain't gonna hold you. Man, I should have taken that 2R, man. Yeah, he must have so much money that it just doesn't even matter. I've seen him have streaks of like thousands of dollars of red days. Yeah, dude is mad random, man. I don't know how he does it, but I mean, you know, he seems to be rich, so it's hard for me to knock him being a total noob, struggling to make $100, you know. But just learning from Jared and then going to watch Ross, it looks like BS, man. Yeah, the small cap world, man, it's just, it seems so random to me. That's true, man. If you got a few thousand people jumping in with you, copying your trades, that could help out a lot. And then you sell out from under them. Ooh. Yeah, that was pretty nice right there, man. Nah, it's too late now. I needed you to tell me that 5 minutes ago, bro. Right here on this candle, man. I would have got in right here. Yep, I would have got 100 shares over 172.54. I did jump in Microsoft though. Did y'all see that? This is that picture perfect setup right here, man. Had a little consolidation over under VWAP, higher high, higher low with a hammer bar right through VWAP, closed above VWAP. That's all good in the hood, man. Yep. So, come on, coin. That's what I want to see. Some movement. Let's go. Now the question is, am I going to take 2R this time? Oh, I really want my target up there, man. Let's see, 258.23, and I wanted 258.50. We got a higher low here, though. Just don't know if it's going to break through this previous high or not. It is a good place to take profit, especially according to Jared. Apple kind of setting up, too. I can't get too many positions on. Yeah, we're gonna chill out and not get too crazy. Microsoft looks great. Maybe I will go on and take that 2R on coin, man. What is 2R on coin? 50 $1.25. 257.88. It's 2R right now. I don't have any. I mean, I can set alerts. I just haven't set any alerts. And I do have a scanner that I have access to. But you saying take it? Yeah, there's a scanner that I can set to call those out. Man, it looks good on the 5, though. It looks real good on the 5. I'm going to let it run, man. E46, man. What can I call you, bro? What can I call you? Just call you E46? I know, man. George. All right, cool. See what this looking like on the 1. Man. Hey, look at Microsoft, though. Let's go. Don't start acting silly now. Ooh. Yeah, market's kind of taking a dip again. Second tap to VWAP. And it was a lower high. Well, my stop is at break even on coin. Microsoft is right there, literally 8 pennies from my target, which is honestly a little high to be at 51. That's not really a great place to have it. Man. Very true, man. Very true. But the chart is not saying sell coin. The chart, I don't know, it might be. Dang, man. All right, yeah, I can't go wrong with selling at 2R. It might be too late now. 257.88. Yeah. I know I'll be happy with the 2R though. I'm not going to regret taking 2R, but I will regret not taking 2R. It might be too late, man. It might be too late. Had like 3 different candles I could have taken it on the 2. Right. Oh, man. Might have messed it up, George. Oh, yeah, that looks terrible. Looks terrible. SPY is going back down. That would be quite sad. That's true too. That just goes against everything in my heart though, to just get out. Oh man. Bruh. What is happening? Oh my God. Coin is looking sad, man. Please go back up. Yo, no. Please. Oh, man. Now it's like I'll give anything for that 2R. I never understand the principles behind that. Well, if you look at a basket of trades, actually Jared really explains it well. But if you look at a basket of trades, not one trade, but 10 or 50 trades, and you need your winners to be bigger than your losers. But if you're just taking profit randomly, it skews it. Where your win rate only works out basically if you're, I don't know how to explain it, but it's Jared taught me. And even in the book Trading in the Zone, it talks about accepting the risk of the trade and not, moving up your stops and things like that, which I've already moved up to break even. So at least the risk is off the table, Now I feel like it has a better chance to go to my 3R target coin. If it gets back up to 258, like it's way more likely to break through this time. SPY looks like it's holding. Just needed to bounce up, man. I think it'll carry both of these to target, and we can get on out of here. Here we go. I want to put my target back. I ain't going to do it. I'm going to take my 2R, man, and be happy. Assuming I get it. I think we're looking good, though, fellas. I think we're looking good. Come on now. I'm going to take 2R for sure. I'm not moving it. I'm not moving my target. Target is set for 2R, so just need to get up to 88. 70. It's right there on the left. Yes! Let's go. We did it, George. Appreciate your encouragement there, sir. Now we just got to get Microsoft home. Now we just got to get Microsoft home. Nvidia looking kind of saucy over there. Whoop, whoop. Yes, sir. All right, man. We got the red to green move on the day. I guess we were already up 14 bucks, but now we got some money. Nvidia looking nice. I bet you it'll run back up to 900 from here. But let's get Microsoft home. I kind of want to add back over 424.05 and then move my stop up underneath here. SPY looking kind of sus though. Yeah, SPY look like it wants to go back down. Yeah, that might have been it on Microsoft, man. 7 cents from my target. If I'd have been paying attention, might have just taken that right there. We'll see, though. Not much risk on the table. I moved my stop up a little bit. Uh-oh. SPY's dipping. So is my position. Ninja Trader? What's that? See, I felt like coin that third try, man. That third try. It goes. There's the 3R right there. I ain't mad though. I am not mad. $43. Yeah, for sure. No regrets, bro. No regrets, man. Because I sure was feeling sick when it came back down. But that third time, man, that third time to resistance, man, it goes all the time. For sure. For sure. I think we might get 3R on Microsoft, though, so it's all to the good. Or maybe I should have taken the 2R here, too, huh? What's that, 18? Yeah, I don't like that big volume that came in on that candle. SPY is acting funky again. Microsoft is definitely moving with the SPY. Like candle for candle, not necessarily where it's at on the chart, but seems to only move up when the SPY moves up. That's good to hear, Ben. Seemed like you've been pretty consistent this week. What you calling out, George? Me getting out of the trade. If the SPY would just go up. Come on, Microsoft. We don't care about that SPY. Oh, man. Appreciate you being here, bro. It gets lonely on the charts, man. Oh, okay. I got you. Yeah, man. Thanks for stopping by, bro. Helping me secure the bag on coin, man. I was getting reckless. That's all you need, Ben, man. Once you get that green track record, man, then you start turning up the volume a little bit. Just a little bit. Yeah, I should have taken 2R on this one too, George. I think I am going to go ahead and go to break even, though. That's a tough call right now. Little by little. All right, man. Out of Microsoft. I didn't want to risk it, even though it still looks good. I didn't want to risk what I had. 65.80 on the day. Had 2R on the table, man, and didn't take it 2 times. Yeah, I got to stop doing that, man. This would have been a $100 day for sure. Green day, yeah, man, I'm definitely happy, but it should have been a $100 day. You too, George. Take care. And then this thing probably about to go to Target. Look at that, man. This is why I don't like to raise my stop up. Just accept the risk, let it play out. But I'm not going to complain. I'm going to take my green day, and I'm going to go enjoy my weekend. Oh, man, look at that, bro. I should have just taken the 2R. That's where I messed up at. It's all good, though. Yeah, I got to get out of here, though, man. Appreciate you, Ben, for hanging out with me. Appreciate you, George. You guys hit that like button for me if you haven't already. I'm going to do a review video real quick and talk about the good and the bad. And survive to trade for next week. I think I'm green overall this week. That's one thing I was really wanting for. You right. You so right, man. Because I was definitely in 2R right there. After this ad really helped me out. But I kind of wanted to shoot for my old target after the ad. But yeah, man, we're learning, we're growing. Anyway, check out the review video when I post that. Post a few shorts of these winning trades, and I'll catch you.